Hey guys, on today's video, I'm taking a look at how to buy V-Bucks right here. So let's just get started. Your V-Buck tab will be the very last tab. And then what I suggest doing is just going for the very last option. It gives you the most amount of V-Bucks. So it's technically the cheapest because you are getting 35% extra. So by the way, the 13,500, it does include the 35% extra. So we're gonna go into it. Oh yeah, before you do, it will cost money, okay? You can't buy V-Bucks with V-Bucks because that wouldn't make sense. I did get that question before. Anyways, let's just go on and we're gonna tap X. We're gonna hold on to X. Now the way I have it set up is towards my PayPal. It's just safer that way. Although I've only had an issue one time with it. And then I had to get it resolved with PlayStation anyways, not with anything else. Right now we can see my V-Bucks just went up. On the top right hand side of my screen, you guys will see 14,000 V-Bucks. It no longer says 600. If we go to the item shop, we can see the same thing on the top, how many V-Bucks we've got. But anyways, that would be it for today's video. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.